Hi guys, it's Stu here from 3B and just wanted to give you a quick update, something that you may have already noticed, and it's important to know for those of you in the US. Basically, 1209, the update, is available, but before you start rushing to your TV or the website and trying to download it, wait, it won't be there. It's only currently available on the Korean website, and before some of you start complaining of me doing clickbait, wait, stop. Okay. You may recall I did a video on how the Korean update is in English and works perfectly on US and Canadian Samsung TVs, and in that video I explain how to update your US TV using the Korean update. Well, now you can update your TV from whatever firmware you're on to 1209. Now this video is shown at the end of this video, or that video is shown at the end of this video, so please watch that if you've not seen it before or to refresh your memory. So happy days! Well, at least we hope so. Oh, and if you fancy just staying on 1207.2, I have another video that explains some interesting information I found out as regards the settings to use. So that's it. Quick one really. Check out bitsbytesandbobs.com and get alerted on updates and more for your TV, and also consider supporting us through Patreon. It's only $1 and you get more in-depth updates and the reviews that we simply can't show on YouTube, as well as find out how you can how we can provide you personalized support for all your tech. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe and give me a cheesy grin. Thanks guys. Check the Korean update. The video will show at the end of this one, probably in a window somewhere appearing round about now. Okay, thanks again guys. Bye bye.